We bought this neglected and vacant wreck of a house 5 years ago in Oregon's rural Willamette Valley. It sat on the market for over 3 years, as it was more than most people were willing to tackle. Although it needed just about everything, we decided to take the plunge. And we've been working hard to restore it ourselves ever since, while living right in the middle of it. We've made good progress, but there's a ton of work left to do. And we're doing it all ourselves with upcycled and repurposed materials, bargain finds, and a ton of creativity. So why take on a major DIY fixer like this? For this, a peaceful wooded backyard with a year-round creek, our own swimming hole, and a picturesque setting we never thought we could afford. I'm Doug, and this is my wife Jodee. We're not professional builders or designers, just a couple on an adventure to transform this forgotten wreck into a home we'll love as much as the backyard. Every project is a mix of hard work, nasty old dirt, problem solving, and learning as we go. But no matter what, we always make it a fun date. We'll be sharing all of the wild transformations we've completed so far, with before and afters, the build details, and how much it cost, current renovation projects, and our future plans to create our own private hideaway on a shoestring budget. This is Waterfront Wreck, turning forgotten into forever, one project at a time. Subscribe for DIY renovations, creative design, and to join our journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.